We are going to find the absolute minimum and absolute maximum values of the function f of t equals square root of t over 1 plus t squared on the closed interval 0, 2. We know this function attains its extreme values on that interval because the interval is closed and the function is continued there. Moreover, we know those extreme values are attained either at the endpoints of the interval or at critical numbers of f. So we start by calculating the critical numbers of f, and for that we need the first derivative of f. We have a quotient here, so we have the derivative with respect to t of the numerator square root of t times the denominator 1 plus t squared minus square root of t times the derivative